Updating your email address on Gmail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects your new email address. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Gmail website and sign in with your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Info. In the Google account settings, find the Personal Info tab on the left side. Click on it to access your personal information settings. Step 4. Update email address. Look for the Contact Info section and click on Email. Here, you can either add a new email address or edit your existing one, depending on your needs. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save your changes. You may need to verify the new email address by following the instructions sent to it. Once you've completed these steps, your email address will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.